So immediately after we place the implant, it can be a bit sore for a day or two, but very manageable with regular over-the-counter painkillers. That's the feedback from the vast majority of my patients. The implant is left for about 2 to 3 months on average, and usually it's left with a little metal button if it's at the back of the mouth. If it's towards the front of the mouth, then we'll make sure that you have a temporary, so you don't have a gap at any stage of the treatment. So no matter what procedure we've carried out for you, whether it be taking a tooth out or placing an implant, we'll make sure at the end of the appointment that we run through with you aftercare instructions, and that will include a little bag with the instructions themselves and also some do's and don'ts to make sure that you know how to maintain your implant and ensure a good outcome. If there's anything you're worried about or any concerns that you do have, we're always here. Of course, during the day we'll squeeze you in one of the clinics, and if it's out of hours then we have an on-call service.